All right, everybody, what is going on? I am excited right now, guys. CMB Global, Mr. Global here, closing the market, sort of, kind of ish, guys. It is lunchtime right now, but we are closing the market, and I am absolutely hype. All right, guys, absolutely hype. Basically, I waited all morning, and the market was really bouncy. Didn't know which way it was going to go. UVXY, which UVXY is a stock market play that if the market's down, it's going to do good. All right. It's like basically Harry Potter and Voldemort battling, UVXY is Voldemort. And when that's doing bad, the market, or when that's doing good, the market's bad. When that's doing bad, the market's good, guys. It's the teeter totter. But with that being said, UVXY is not the play I made, guys. I waited all day, was looking at everything, the NASDAQ, the Dow Jones, everything, seeing which way we were going to go. Decided to play REVB, guys. Played the dip off REVB, got in at 179, and then jumped up to like 181, and then I bought even some more. So love this one a lot. Let me get into it, guys. REVB. Listen, before we get into REVB though, you need to do this. Hit the follow, like, subscribe button, guys. Listen, these are money making moves that will, listen, you can make more money than what your job is paying you. Okay, I used to work a 9 to 5, guys. I'm not going back. The market is the way to be. You just have to learn it and be prepared and take risks, guys. CMB Global, Mr. Global, let's get into REVB. All right, guys, you see on my screen, 185. You see the dip. I didn't get quite the biggest dip I could have, guys, right here. I could have loaded up at like 173. I was just trying to see where the bottom was because she went to 173 and I was like, is 173 the bottom? I don't know. And decided, you know what? When she dipped like right here, I was like, I think she's going to at least make it over VLAP, which would be right at 193, guys. She's already hit 188 on the day. Doesn't show it right here. She already hit 188 right here. So we're seeing this 185 battle, see if we can get over VWAP and have a great afternoon. So right now would be the time to load up because you're going to risk 185 or dropping back down to that 173 to 179 range, guys. That 173 to 179 range is the only thing that you're going to be really risking for the biscuit. Hopefully it pops off, guys. But like I said, like this one a lot. Honestly, like this one a lot. She was up, and it doesn't show it on Robinhood. You can see she was already up 31%, guys. This one jumped up, I believe, to $3 and like 11 cents or something like that. It got up high in pre-market, over 86% gains. I think like 94%, to be honest. 94%. So with that being said, this one had my attention coming all the way back down to what, when I got in at 179, 15%. Oh, guys, and like I said, if you guys do not follow me on Twitter, you guys need to follow my Twitter because this is where my look, before the live stream started, guys, I already tweeted out, and it's always something good. Look, CMB Global, let's look it up. CMB Global emergency. Let's go. Woo. Waited all morning to find a swing trade for tomorrow, guys, because I'm swinging REVB. REVB is a swing trade, not a day trade for me right now, so it's a swing trade. I'm going to swing REVB, decided to jump in on this 179 to 181 dip, guys. And I didn't go heavy, guys. I only bought 347 shares, which is 7,976, almost $8,000, guys. Not just a dip buy, just for a swing trade, just the easy swing trade money, just $8,000, just throw it down there. Like I said, I'm mostly in Doge, guys, but like I said, decided to throw a swing trade out there because I do have day trades tomorrow. I do not play by that $25,000 rule. I'm going to start soon day trading with 25 grand, but I decided that crypto, with it being so low, that I'm not going to go that heavy with it because it's going to pop off any minute. But easy swing trade money, guys. Like I said, keep it simple. REVB. And if she dips more, I'll buy the dip. Maybe I'll probably put like I'll total out to like 10 grand total. I'll go max 10 grand on REVB. So we'll see. $181. Let's see if we get the bounce here. It's got to bounce up, like I said, and go up past this VWAP, which is like 193, guys. So if we hit 193, it's going to be a great CMB Global, Mr. Global swing trade move. But I've been on my game lately, and I've been hot on the market, guys. So listen, trust this guy. This fucking brain just is crazy, the things I think of. And it's not, guys, I would say it's hard. It's not hard. It's showing up and looking at the charts and looking at everything and making sure that you wait and be patient and buy certain stocks. Don't rush into anything. Wait some days. Some days, though, it's better to rush in than not. But most of the time, it's better to wait, see what happens. Like yesterday, I rushed into one, which ended up, not rushed into it, but I saw it was going to move and I knew it was going to move kind of thing. Jumped into it. It was at what was it? What did we play yesterday? Let me think of it. INVO? I don't think that's what it's called. No, INDO, Indonesia. The gas energy company right here, guys. And I already told you yesterday it was gonna be a multi-day swinger, and I was trying to get that. I thought it dipped down, guys, to like 636. It got down to that's what it closed at. I think like 642. And pre-market dropped down to 636, but it jumped up right at the bell, basically. If you were gonna jump in one, that was gonna be one, guys. Missed it, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna wait for it to crawl. And I know it's gonna be a multi-day swinger, but decided to go with REVB just because, like I said, it hit like that 93%. No stock goes up 93% and then drops back down to 12% in a day without and not even within a day, guys. It's not even, the day's not over. Like, if it was one of those stocks that look, and you know when the stock looks like it's going to step down, this one, at least we hit we jump back up and we look like we're going to be bullish. Plus, look at the week, guys. You're down 20% on the week after it jumped up and was over. Like I said, it hit $3, guys, in pre-market. So, like I said, this one I feel like is going to be huge. But I love Indonesia. And honestly, guys, this other one, I honestly let it slip through my fingers, and I realized it's on my watch list. And it was like one of those, I saw that when the market tanked and it was up so high, I decided to play Indonesia, which ended up being better for me that day, which was yesterday, guys. Because I made like 52% or something like that off of Indonesia, which was awesome, guys. Indonesia yesterday, this one was so beautiful. We played it so good. We bought in at 528, and then we bought back in off the dip again at 6. I think it was like 630, guys, or maybe even lower than that. Yeah, no, maybe like 630. Hit 630, guys, and then jumped all the way back up to 864. Sold out at 864. Beautiful gains, guys. Beautiful gains. So Indonesia is not done. The week on her is absolutely beautiful. She's still up 61%. Like I said, doesn't show it on Robinhood right now, but she went all the way up to. She actually hit 893. I sold that at 869, guys. 869. You know, gains are gains. You're never gonna, as long as you get near the top, that's the most important part. Okay, you buy the dips and can sell at the top, because I knew it wasn't. It was already up at that point, like almost 96%, and I was like, I just don't see it being like a over 100%er because we didn't have any news. So I was like, decided to sell out, which was the best move. I know if I was swinging her, I could have stayed in it and not have been red, but I made my money. I was great. Moved on. Let's go take a look at REVB. 182. We're staying in there, guys. We're staying in there. It's only 12:27. I wasn't gonna start this live stream this soon, but decided just because I was in it, I'd be like, hey, let's make a video real quick. So I don't know if I'll stay on here long. Dogecoin's doing this thing though. I had to sell some Doge to buy some REVB though. But difference between, I think that I'll be able to buy Doge in the 14 cents tomorrow, if not 13, but I think Doge is going to go up. I think cryptos are going up. I already said that. I think weed stocks, crypto stocks, IPOs have been beat down, guys, and they're going to go absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. Just like this one. I'll show you guys one that I played and made money off of. This was last week, guys. What's she at still? $36 now. All right. So last Friday, this was a once in a, like, there's very few trades that you can make and be ballsy with, guys. I bought in at like 42, like right at 42. It went up to like 45, right? And came dipping down, and I was like, just jump. I decided I didn't get the 41. I got that 42, like right, we're almost right there. And it was starting to, like, I felt like it was gonna start and rip back up again, and it was just gonna be a day trade only, and was able to sell at $87, guys. It hit $107. That's guys. Listen, it was absolutely insane, this trade. Like I said, not one that I usually do, and this was on a Friday, and I didn't even live stream it, but I put it on my Twitter, guys. Let's go back. Let's go to my Twitter. Go back. We gotta go back a little couple tweets. Oh, look, see, and then, all right, so Monday after, look, I'm in Indonesia, taking profits from ISPO, looking at the $9 to $8 range. This was for, guys, we nailed Indonesia energy so hard. Look at that 9 to 8 range. We sold out where at 869, guys. That was, let's get a let's go here. Let's go. Guys, that was absolutely hype that we were able to do that. We were able to sell out of the 9 in that 9 to 8 range. Called it perfectly. Like I said, it was already halted at the beginning. I was looking at it. It was jumping up at like 484 to 491. Then all of a sudden went from 491 to 538 on a halt. And I was like, damn it, I knew it. But luckily, the halt messed it up. There's sometimes where halts are good for the stocks, guys, and it will shoot it up next time. Or sometimes it will halt up. And this one, luckily, it halted up to like 578, almost $8, I think, like 582. Then dropped all the way back down to 528. And I said, you know what? Or like 521, I was like, you know what? I'm in. Like I said, didn't guess the right. No, you know what I'm saying? The bottom was like 521. I got in at 528. Either way, it was beautiful ads, beautiful gains. Yesterday was absolutely beautiful with Indonesia Energy. She's still not done though. She's going to keep going. I already told you guys yesterday she's going to be a multi-day runner, especially when she went all the way from 864 and then came back down to 630. I knew that it was going to be a multi-day runner there. I just wish she didn't jump up at the start of the day like that. But like I said, we made money off of her. I could still play her for tomorrow, but like I said, I feel like REVB is going to give me more gains. So that's why I went with REVB. Dogecoin doing its thing, guys. 1330. But ISPO though, I honestly, my thoughts on this one, guys. You see the week, 158%, right? Obviously, she's trying to find a floor. One of these times, like either today, it's either gonna be today, tomorrow, it's sometime. All right, sometime this week. So that's what I'm saying. You can load up on her now and risk it going to 34, 32. That's about the dip I feel like it's going to get at. But she looks like she's curling up, guys, and ready to go. So I believe this one's going to pop off any moment, at least for like a sympathetic pop and get back up. But eventually she'll trickle its way down. Stocks do not run up that high. But they do find a floor after they do run up that high, guys. Like we always say, don't chase, just come back, just wait, be patient. Like I said, I chased that day. It was the stock was already up like 200%, but she went up like 398% or something stupid that day. That's 604%. Like it was, I mean, no stock does that, guys, and doesn't come back down, but they do come back. That's what I'm saying. They come back down, but they go back up again. Sympathetic play right there. I like ISPO. If you want to throw like some, I threw $8,000 in there. I would throw maybe five grand into ISPO. Don't tempt me right now. I might do it. ISPO, I like it. Everything's just trying to find its way, guys. It's still lunchtime. Things don't usually pop off till 1. Because you got to think the West Coast trades with us. Everybody trades with us. Even the Central Time is like an hour behind. So usually I would say like 2 o'clock is when it starts getting interesting and you know what the stock's going to do at the end of the day. 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock is kind of like when everybody comes back and sees what they're going to do from lunch, basically. And then 2 o'clock, everybody's back from lunch. So yeah, these are my top 3, guys. Revb, love this one a lot. Indonesia Energy, love this one a lot for tomorrow. As far as swing trade plays, guys, not day trade plays, swing trade plays. And also ISPO, the swing trade. She'll pop off. She'll go off again. She has resistance a lot. And she went up to $45 yesterday. Came back down. Doesn't even show it. That's why I don't like Robinhood chart. I just trade on Robinhood. I need to find a better chart, I think, and show you guys off there. But I'm just more comfortable with showing you guys on Robinhood because it's the easiest way to get into stocks, guys, and make money. Because you don't have to pay. So that's why I try to tend to stay with Robinhood and show. But I usually, not on my phone. On my phone, I look at Webull, guys. Webull I use for all my graphing. And then I go on Robinhood and trade it. But yeah, most of my hours are spent on Webull, to be honest. All right, here's the REVB dip, guys. REVB dip, I'm going to leave you guys on here. Buy it. All right. Let's go. But with that being said, CMB Global, Mr. Global, I'm out of here. I'll probably live stream maybe to end the day or something. But other than that, there you go. I told you guys, there's a jump back up. She's going to go off, guys. REVB, we're swing trading till tomorrow. You guys are going to thank me. Buy now, thank me later, okay? CMB